Hey guys, shaFs here. Welcome to the shaFs, and if you are new here, please do subscribe and press the all notifications so you never miss an update. So today I'm gonna show you how you can send a WhatsApp message to a contact which is not saved on your phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So you know that when you want to send a single message to a number, you just have to save it, then send a message. For that, if you want to delete that contact, you can delete it, and this is a long procedure. So to send the message without saving that contact, you just have to go to your browser, then just type wa.me/ then the country code. In this case for India it is 91 followed by that number, and after that you will see this kind of page and you will just click on continue on chat, and when you click on that it will redirect you to WhatsApp Messenger app, and then you will send that message or document to that person without saving that contact. So if this trick was helpful in any way, then please do subscribe, and if you like what you're seeing, then do like the video, and if you want to say something or have any suggestion, then please write it down in the comment section. This is shaFs, and I will see you in the next one.